What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and it is Labor Day. And thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. It's such a small number in the world of YouTube with all your Mr. Beasts and even VCG Construction and Project Farm with millions of subscribers. But I'll take my 10,000, and I appreciate you guys so much. My goal is to do 100,000 in the next year. See if we can get to 100,000 subscribers in the next 12 months. That is my goal. But today I have some deals for you. It's 9/5. It's Labor Day, and everyone was talking about in the comments and in the Facebook group. If you haven't joined, feel free to join. 8,200 members there. Thank you guys for that too. The Facebook group is almost catching up with YouTube, but lots of people have mentioned the 9/5 deals, and I have them for you, and they are okay. They're okay. I posted some better deals. Some people's like, no, you need to wait because it's going to be better than 9/5. Well, I don't know about that, but there are some good deals. So let's get into it. So there are two deals. We have a $199 starter kit with a free tool. Get into the holidays. These are those holiday deals coming up, and it's a nice appetizer. And then we also have the 129 kit with a 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery. Now, here's the deal with the batteries. The 129 kit is a CP 2.0 battery. This is basically their base model battery. Then you have the XC, which is extra performance. That's not what it means, XC, but I'm just saying it's extra performance. Then they have their high output batteries. The high output ones are the ones that perform the best and all that, but the XCs are very good because the high output only does 20% more power than the XC, and it's kind of marginal depending on the tool. So when we go to add a free gift, oh, I didn't even cover this. It's two 6-amp-hour batteries. Boom, two 6-hour XC batteries. Alone, already that's worth the $199 over the $129. So here are the deals. You get to choose from a Rocket light, which is very good. The crown stapler, it has excellent reviews, but honestly, I wasn't impressed. Like, I had to upholster a chair I have, and it's real solid wood, and I was unimpressed. Really, the staples didn't penetrate the wood that well, so sorry. The inflator, which I have no experience with, lots of people love it. I have the rigid, I have the Ryobi, I've dealt with the DeWalt. I did like the DeWalt, but I just heard it doesn't last very long. But I don't have any experience with the Milwaukee. I guess I could get this one and play around with it. So this right angle ratchet was one of my favorite tools. I don't have the high speed one. This is the OG right here. Brushed, slow boy. I love it. I love it. But there are a lot of other deals out there with the high speed. So I probably would not get this. I probably wouldn't personally. Then you have this blower, but keep in mind this is a spot blower. It's not like a leaf blower. This is to like blow off your work desk, blow off dust off the desk or whatever. Okay, so this is nothing crazy. All right, so keep that in mind. Then you have the Rotary Tool. You're gonna pass on this. You already know why. This $99 is gonna drop it. I can tell you it's gonna drop it to. It's gonna drop it to $66. And this is how I bought mine. I'm telling you, you'll regret it. You want the kit. You want the kit. You want the kit. And I've shown you the kit many times on sale for $79. It comes with this. It comes with a battery. It comes with a charger. And it comes with a case. Because this comes with some extra little pieces. Like it comes with different collet sizes. Even though it's weird in the description it says it doesn't come with extra collet sizes. It does. It comes with like 3. And we're going to keep those. Like, I lost mine immediately. Literally. As soon as the box was gone, I don't know where those are. I don't know where it is. So you want to keep it in a case somewhere. Don't buy this as a tool only. Get the kit for $79. Cutoff tool, excellent. I like it. And the circular saw, little 5 3/8 inch. I have no experience with it. I probably would never buy such a small thing, but I hear it's very good. And it's not last but not least, but basically last, because I don't know about this. Well, we're gonna look at this light too, but This oscillating tool, the M12 FUEL oscillating tool, they trying to get these off because this is really the deal of the day right here. This is the deal of the century. And then there's repair floodlight with USB charging. I think the USB charging feature is really what's shining here. Get it? Pun intended. What's shining here? Up to 24 hours of runtime with a 4 amp hour battery, an XC 4 amp hour battery, and these are XC6s. So let's start at let's go back to the top. We're going to start at the top. This Milwaukee Rocket light. All right, let's go ahead and add this to the cart because I don't remember what this is. I don't even think I checked. This turns out to be $94.24. I did check. $94.24. Really, really good deal. Now, the crazy thing is, when I bought this, it was the same kit. It was this kit with the Rocket light, and it was like $179. So these prices are good, but they gone up a little bit. But it wasn't a buy one. It wasn't a hack type of deal. It was just the light with the kit, and they all came in the same box, and it was $179 for everything. If you could hold out, do that. But I'm telling you, these are good batteries to have. So if I were y'all, I wouldn't hack this unless you already had the batteries. I would actually just spend the $200 for this Rocket light and these batteries. It's an excellent deal. And it's like you want big batteries. So, but anyway, that turns out to be $94. So we know things that are $179 turn out to be $94. I'm going to skip the crown stapler. You know how to do that. The inflator comes down to quite an attractive price. I believe it was $74. Yep, $74. Now, also this inflator too is going to need some big batteries. So again, if you serious about this inflator, you're going to need at the very least a 4 amp hour battery. So I would again keep these two 6 amp hour batteries. I would not hack that. I would keep everything. I was just spending $200. Moving on, y'all see I just skip right over this. Why are you asking for this type of trouble? You really want a non-fuel M12 impact driver? I mean, it does 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, but you can easily, I mean, come on, look at this. We're gonna talk about this. Why would you do that? Why would you do this? $99 and see, I mentioned this the other day, and this is where all like, oh no, the 95 deal is gonna be better. It ain't better than this. $99. This thing is $45. The 6 amp hour battery becomes $54. There's no charger though, but you get this for $99. That makes this a terrible deal. Who's doing this? No one. Ignore that. But moving on, if you want to do this ratchet, the ratchet comes out to be, and let's keep in mind the ratchet is $149 originally, so it's going to save us time on the next stuff, $85. If it were me, I would wait. I would get one of the speed ratchet deals. That's just what I would do. I would not buy this for $85 personally. I love the tool. It's one of my favorite tools. But $85, you can, on a nice buy one, get the high speed one for not a lot more. So that's why I would recommend waiting and passing on that. So $149. So let's skip to the good stuff. It was $85, right? This cutoff saw, this cutoff tool, it's going to be $85. I would do it. One thing that this doesn't show is that this comes with, let's see, it comes with, oh, there we go. All right, so it comes with all this. And they didn't used to show this in the listing. You kind of just had to figure that out. But it comes with all this in a kit. Well, excuse me, not in the kit, but it comes as a kit. It doesn't come with batteries or anything, but it still comes with all this as a kit. And a lot of the other ones that are on the market don't have that. So it just looks like this. So I like this for $85. I would most certainly bite with that. Again, the circular saw is going to be $85, $149. And here we go. This oscillating tool, $85. Get it, get it, get it, get it. I don't care if you have an oscillating tool and you think it's good. Get it. I don't care if you're like, oh, well, my DeWalt's. Get this. I'm telling you, I've used the DeWalt's side by side with this thing. This M12 FUEL is what you want. Oh, well, I got the Milwaukee M18. Get this. You will put that M18 down. I'm telling you, I've used them all side by side, y'all. This has the least amount of vibration out of all of them. And it performs exactly. Matter of fact, it outperformed the DeWalt, and it for some odd reason outperforms the M18. It could have been a little fluke, but I was using the same battery, same everything. I just moved the battery from one to the charge it and put it back. I'm telling you, this is the best oscillating tool I've ever used. Milwaukee did their thing on this. $85? You crazy. Why are you still listening? I hope you bought it by now already. What are you doing? And now let's look at this light. This is my first time really looking at this light. But if it's like $30, yeah, it would be like $34. Let's see, $51. I think I'm good. If this was like $34, yeah, I'd be all over it. But this is not taking off very much, and I'm kind of good on that. I think it's cool that it charges, and in a pinch, like if this was the power went out, I mean, the tornado came through here, I could have used this, but I just used my skill, and the skill was excellent and had better ergonomics, it looked like. So yeah, pistol grip flashlight is amazing. So yeah, that's that. Now let's move on over to the 129 deals, and we'll see what you get. You get to choose from the crown stapler, the inflator, that ridiculous impact driver, the blower, and the rotary tool, and the light again. So it's the same stuff but less. But let's go over to this inflator. We're gonna go to the cart. So actually this inflator becomes $61.90, and that's really what you want. So yeah, let's go back and let's re-entertain this this deal here. All right, so yeah, that inflator becomes $61, which is even more attractive to me. Let's see what else we have over here. This rover light, let's check that out. That might be even cheaper. Go to cart. And the rover light is now $44.95. That's closer to $34, but again, this would have to be like $35 for me to be like, I'm buying it. But yeah, that's not a bad deal. So yeah, if you want any of these tools, you come over here and fool with the 129 deal. I don't know why. Oh, this crown stapler is gonna be super cheap. But again, I'm not really a big fan of the crown stapler. So I mean, you play around with that. $61? No, I'm a fan today. $61. Do that. I think that's what I paid for mine. And I'm pleased with it for $61, but it wasn't like the most impressive tool ever, no. And I'm not going to even tempt you and look at that rotary. I'm not, because you don't want it. So, yeah, the only things over here I'd say consider the inflator, the stapler, and maybe that rover light. But again, for me, I feel like that got to be like $35. So anyway, last thing up, they were talking about this in the Facebook group, and yeah, see, I talked about this deal a few days ago, and it was an amazing deal, and it is. And if you wanted to break it down, we were already in the cart. So this is the Fuel M12, 1,300 inch-pounds of torque. The battery's $54.04, and the impact driver itself is only $45. That's insane. So anyway, that's it for today's deals, you guys. Again, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Like, comment, share. Tell your friends. Let's get to 100K in 12 months. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your day.